It's a 20-gram protein bar which exactly tastes like brownie. And it's awesome. What a great snack. Talking about snacks, I have a funny story to tell. I was craving too much for my evening snacks and I just wanted to go around and get some chicken roll or something like that. So basically, I go to a shop that is a chicken roll shop. I ask him for a chicken roll. He says, okay, please wait. There's a couple of people standing over there, and one of this guy, there's one guy, literally in every stall, food stall, he was buying 9 chicken rolls in before me, and there was another guy who was buying 6 chicken rolls. I approximately waited around like 45 minutes for those two persons to get their orders done. But this is the exciting thing. But my decision was totally different. I wanted to challenge myself, to be calm under adverse situations. So what I did was, I told my brain, I am not gonna get any chicken roll, but I'm gonna wait for 45 minutes until they get their orders done. And the waiter itself, when he prepared and he gave the orders and he asked what I want, and I told him, no bro, I don't want anything, I'm just gonna leave. He was just shocked by my answer and he didn't know what to say, and all of the people are looking at me. I mean, look at this guy who is waiting for 45 minutes, and who waits for 45 minutes literally in a shop and gets nothing. You know what I'm saying, right? Which brings us to the main story itself, that is, let people do what they want to do. What I mean by that is, let me give an example. A lot of people were against me or telling me that you won't get views, or you're living in Tamil Nadu where people want to watch vlogs or videos in Tamil and you're gonna post in English, you're not gonna get views, and they are against me and telling me to brainwash me to do it in Tamil, or but I insisted to do it in English because I'm a person who likes to watch a vlog in English. So I have to do my vlog in English, right? Because you know what I'm saying, right? We as a society expect people to behave or act in a way that society wants, or what everyone does. Let's take James Charles. If you guys don't know who James Charles is, he's a beauty YouTuber. He looks more of a girl, or he has that beauty on, but in reality he's a boy. That's correct. When I got to know James Charles, the moment when I saw him, I thought, why the fuck is he doing this? Why is he putting beauty and makeup on his face to make him look like a girl, or have those feminine activities? Now looking back at all those thoughts about James Charles, why is he acting stupid, or why is he acting like a girl when he's a boy? It makes me feel stupid or dumb, because we as a society want people to act or behave, because as I told before, our brains are wired in a particular way that everyone in the society has to act in the same way, or this is what he should do in order to validate or get the validation from the society itself. And I think it's really stupid and it's really dumb. He said that it shows that this industry is actually becoming genderless, and we are really making the push towards equal opportunity for everyone regardless of race, sexuality, gender. That is what he was trying to say, is in the beauty industry that men should also be recognized, not only women. My thoughts towards James Charles is, yes, he wears all this makeup, and yes, he wears all this feminine clothing, and I personally feel that society is wrong to associate makeups and skirts only for females. I know it's hard to process it in your brain, or it's weird, but the whole reality is, let people do what they want to do. If you want to become a cinematographer, do it. If you want to be a photographer, do it. If you want to become fat, okay. When it comes to body shaming, Indian society is one of the biggest society where our minds are wired that you should not be fat, you should be thin. You should not be too thin, you should be correct. You should not be too fat, you should be this much only. What I'm trying to say is, if you want to be fat, just be fat. If you want to eat, just eat. If you want to be thin, just be thin. Also, one of the biggest misconception, girls are not supposed to go to the gym, or girls are not supposed to lift heavy weights, or girls are not supposed to go out and night time, or that's completely bullshit, bro. In my opinion, I would say if girls want to wear anything, let them wear. If girls want to do anything, let them do. If they want to work out, let them work out. If they want to go to the gym, let them go. So the whole big picture is, until and unless if someone is comfortable doing something that doesn't affect others in a bad way, I would totally say do it, bro. Do whatever you want. Let it be, for example, if he's cleaning the roads, or if he's a gym trainer, or if he's working in a supermarket, or if he's a butcher, or if he's a doctor, or if he's an engineer, or if he's a vlogger, whatever let it be. Let's not try to bring others down, or try to put others in a society bubble where everybody is meant to do that. Let's just respect others, whatever he's doing. Let's treat everyone equally. And James Charles is a really good example for that, and he's such an inspiring person.